Are you a life coach who's looking to find the perfect or the best life coaching model for your specific business, but you don't really know how to get started or where to even go to find out how you could possibly set up your, life coaching business model to maximize your profits and to live, right, the life coaching entrepreneur lifestyle that you wanted? Don't worry, I got you covered in this video.
We all win when we all win. All win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K in their life coach and healing businesses with profitable presentations. And today we're going to be going over and answering the question: how do you, or what is the best business model for a life coach and for your specific life coaching business? We're going to discuss specifically the value ladder and how you can, create multiple products around one problem, one solution. We're going to talk about how you can design that. And then ultimately, the big one, right? We're going to be talking about how you can pick the main problem that you want to solve with the main solution and how you can expand on that and usually make a lot more money while also getting to help a lot more people. Let's rock and roll. All right, anytime we talk about designing a business or anytime we talk about a business model, we need to discuss very early on what we classify as the value ladder. Now, I go really deep in this concept of the value ladder in another video on my channel called Designing Your Life Coaching Business, and you can go and check out that video on my channel to get a very in-depth piece of this. But really what the value ladder is, and you're going to see a picture, showing up here on the screen somewhere, but you're going to notice on the value ladder, a lot of times you're able to see how you have multiple offers that are working up and ascending from basically the bottom all the way up to the top. When people start at the bottom of that value ladder, that's usually when they're giving you like a piece of information, like their email, or they're getting on your list for the first time, and they might not be paying you any money yet. But then up at the top of that value ladder is usually going to be where you have your high ticket product or products, right? So you're going to identify your highest ticket products, and then the purpose of that value ladder is to bring people into the bottom of this value ladder and then ascend people up to the top of this value ladder, letting them have the opportunity to see all of the different offers and products that you have to offer them and all the ways that you're delivering it. See, a lot of times, you might have that one offer. Maybe you help people with PTSD, but the way you're delivering the solution that you have to that product might be in a different way. Maybe you do it, through a group coaching. Maybe you do it with one-on-one. Maybe you do it through a live event or whatever that might be. So then you have different ways that you can deliver this solution through this value ladder, and then different offers that you can offer people, ultimately helping you make more money, really selling the same offer and the same things. All right, so before I go into the real big piece when it comes to this in regards to if you're really going to make any money or have any impact or ultimately go out there and actually be able to help people, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K as a life coach and healer with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so we have an understanding of the value ladder now. We have a little bit of more of an understanding around what that is and around how that can be designed, right? So that you can then start modeling, right, your life coaching business. Now let's talk about where we get started. The next question I always get is like, okay, that looks great, but how do I start? How do I build that? Well, you get started with that by choosing your core product or your core offer that you want to solve. So you're going to look at the main problem that you solve. Like, what is the main thing? What is the hot dog, right, in your hot dog stand? Sorry, vegans. But what is the hot dog in your hot dog stand? And ultimately, right, what is the main thing that people are going to come to get your help with, right? What is the main problem that you're going to solve? And then what we want to identify is where is that problem or that solution where our main business is being worked around, where does that fall and what type of product is it? Is it going to be group coaching, one-on-one? Is it going to be a live event? How is it going to be delivered? We call this the vehicle of your offer. But how is this going to be delivered to the prospect? Is it going to be group coaching? Is it going to be in a SaaS program, through is it going to be through a worksheet or a guide or an ebook or a book? Is it going to be through video training, a home study course? Is it going to be through a live event? Is it going to be through a virtual event? Is it going to be through one-on-one calls, one-on-one Zoom calls? How is it going to be delivered? Then what we want to do is we want to identify that as our main product. And then when we identify that as our main product, we want to identify what does this main product solve? right? Who does it solve it for? And ultimately, where can we go and we can start getting people to be interested and wanting to hear about how we can solve that problem. But really, when we're starting to build our value ladder, we need to have that main hot dog piece, right? And kind of like the analogy that this comes back to is like, you know, if you're like a hot dog cart, you're right in the middle of Chicago. I'm not in Chicago, I'm in Dallas. But if you're a hot dog cart, right, like say in the middle of Chicago, we don't have hot dog carts in Dallas. That's why I'm saying Chicago. And they got really good hot dogs in Chicago, by the way. But, you know, it's literally like, you know, if you're like a hot dog stand, but you don't have any hot dogs, no one's going to come to your hot dog stand. It doesn't matter how good your ketchup is or your mustard or your mayonnaise or your buns. If you don't have hot dogs and people want hot dogs, they're not going to come to the hot dog stand. They're going to go to the competitor in the next block. So we want to make sure that, you know, we identify what is the hot dog in our hot dog stand, and then we basically build that out as the core piece of our business. It doesn't matter how we're delivering it, but we deliver it and make it the core piece of our business so that then we can start building around it. More on that piece here in a second. Before I go into exactly how you can start like building around that value ladder and start getting products around that core product so that you can start building the proper model, right, of your business as a life coach and ultimately start making more money because you have more offers on the table, I want to ask you, what is the main problem that you solve? What type of life coach or healer are you? And ultimately, what type of solution do you provide to your clients? I'm curious. Let me know in those comments. All right, so we know what the value ladder is. So now we know what the solution is that we're going to solve, and we know how we're going to deliver that solution. We know the vehicle of that solution. We know what type of product is going to be sold for that solution, right, to the prospects and the people who need our help. Now let's start talking about how we can start really building around that main product and really start designing a real business and not just have a product, but an actual business. So say that your main product is, I'm just going to keep with this common theme here of helping someone with PTSD. Say the program that you have typically is that you want to help people with PTSD one-on-one through say 8 consulting calls. You know, that's a very popular model. And I'm not saying that, you know, basically helping people with one-on-one consulting is a bad thing. We just want to make sure that we understand where it falls on that value ladder. So if it's going to be, you know, in the middle of that value ladder, right? If it's going to be in the middle of that value and that's going to be your core product, then we need to have something above that product that's going to be a higher ticket, and then something below that, as well as a free lead magnet inside that value ladder for that specific problem and solution, so that we can work people up this value ladder and give them options on not only how they want to get this problem solved, but usually how quickly and how intimately they want to get. Now, when I say intimate, I'm not meaning like weird intimacy. I just mean like how close they are with you, how much like contact they have with you. Are they talking with you every day? Are they not talking with you every day? Stuff like that. But how close are you with them in regards to getting them across that mountain, getting them across that problem, getting them to that solution and promised land that they want to get to, right? But ultimately, like, we want to identify what that is. And then we need to price it accordingly. Right? Now, if you're one-on-one and it's going to fall in the middle, you might say, well, Sid, that's like the most like, you know, time I spend with anybody. That's my top end product. But you could do a live event that helps them get through this in 3 days instead of, you know, 8 sessions, which might take 8 weeks. And that could be more valuable to them because you help them get over that problem in 3 days, not 8 weeks. And speed, right? Sales. Speed sells more expensively, meaning that if you can help somebody get to a solution at a faster time, they're typically going to pay a little bit more money for it. Right? So understanding how we might be able to position and market this and design, right? Design our life coaching business, specifically, you know, model our life coaching business to maximize profits. We need to make sure that whatever our main delivery part is in that middle, and then we create a higher ticket offer behind it. Because then when we bring people in for that core piece, we can always continue to work with them and take them into like a mastermind, a live event, or whatever that might be that can help them more. Right? We also then want to have something below it. So usually what fits really well into this is going to be things like live presentations, workshops, or even home study courses, or even mixes of all three. Understanding that this one is usually going to be less like involved with you, meaning you might not get them on one-on-one calls, but you might do like, you know, 1 or 2 group calls a month in a group, and then, you know, and answer their questions, and then you might, you know, have a home study course. By having this home study course, this is going to really help you have an offer for people who might not want to wait, you know, the 8 calls to get this thing done, or maybe they're shy and they don't want to hop on calls with you and talk to you about their problems. Maybe they just want to do this themselves. So this is going to be a great way for you to liquidate, right? The solution that you're providing, sell it probably at a little bit less of an expensive price point from your core offer and definitely your high ticket offer, but it's also going to be a great option for you to expand the solution that you provide, ultimately model, right, the solution that you want to provide, start stacking the same solution and it being delivered in different ways behind each other, and then at different price points. So now you have the same solution offered multiple ways that you can take money based on where the prospect's at and how they want that product, that hot dog to be delivered. Now, it's very, very important that we also mention in this piece when we're wanting to build and model, right, our life coaching business, that we're also wanting to make sure that we have something for free that they can opt into. A very popular thing that you can do for this is like a free report, a breaking news report, or something like an ebook that might be able to talk to people around the problems around the certain problem that's going on and what it's causing people, the solution that's out there, and then ultimately walking people through that solution. Getting them as a free lead magnet is going to help you show interest and then allow you to start promoting your other products on that value ladder as you go. Like probably the next one you would promote would be your home study course. By having that, right, by specifically having that, this gives you a lot quicker of a window. Instead of just having one product that might cost a ridiculous amount of money and only is delivered in one way, it gives you now 3 different ways for you to sell usually the same solution, right? And a lot of times very similar products just being delivered in a different way, and a lot of times helps you make a lot more sales, right, in your life coaching business because you're able to help a lot more people with, right, the same problem they have and the same solution just being delivered in a different way. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to model your business to make 6 figures over the next year? Well, then I have a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. And my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide is a 22-page guide that goes through my simple 3-step system on how you as a life coach and healer can make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach and healer in your business. You can click on that link down here in the description to grab your free copy of that guide. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking that link down there below and grabbing your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. We'll see you in the next video.